So how to fix Telegram problem? So first thing you want to do is go to the settings and then go to the apps. When you open the apps now, all what you want to do next is very simple. Just wait a few seconds and then scroll all the way down until you find Telegram. Click on it right here, click on force stop, click on storage, click on clear cache, go back, click on data usage. Make sure to enable all these options. Go back again, click on this permissions, enable all these permissions here. Go back again, and now all what you want to do is very simple. Just go back into the settings on your phone, click on wireless add networks, enable the airplane mode for 3 seconds, and after that disable it. Now all what you have to do is turn off your phone and turn it on again, and congratulations. Don't forget to like, subscribe.